I tried out SUNO AI. I know, AI music. I know. But listen. SUNO AI is a game changer. I wrote a song from scratch, no music. So then I sent it to SUNO AI to create the beat. And well, y'all gotta hear it for yourselves.
Want it easy, want you to need me, just like I need you.
I'm gonna walk you guys through what I did. Now, remember, I originally just did this on my phone, just playing around, just trying to see if it'll work. So it's not gonna give you the same result. It doesn't give the same result twice. I uploaded my audio. Basically, you can record it or you can upload it. So I recorded my audio like directly into the phone, just sang it. This is the original.
I want it easy, want you to need me, just like I need you, want you to please me.
So come and spend time, phone home, extraterrestrial. Oh, I want it easy. And then skipping to the end. I literally. That's why I'll be on there. You need to receive you. All right, so I did the entire song. And again, I did this a few times because when I was just singing just a little bit of it, it literally stopped wherever I stopped. So I ended up just singing the entire song on this one so that it would make the entire song. And then from there, you can enter the lyrics and you can also describe the style. So for the lyrics, I just copied in the lyrics that I wrote. But here is the original prompt that I wrote as well. So it's very descriptive. So I'm going to just paste that here. And also you want to paste your lyrics, which is what I just did this part. And let's go back to it. And yep, I just copied that. And that was pretty much it. It was so easy. Took like maybe 5 minutes, if that. Just being very descriptive is your best bet. So I put that I wanted a guitar loop, no drums. I wanted a bounce to the guitar string, not just a, flat power chords. And then I kind of described what I wanted it to feel like, to sound like a daydream floating underwater, lush, hazy, emotionally tangled, blah, blah, blah. Ethereal with lo-fi textures. Like the song is wrapped in mist, reverb heavy guitars. That's really important because that's basically what it sounds like. It's reverb heavy guitars, nostalgic, spacey. Then I was being extra again. There's a gentle chaos in the layering voices, background hums, ad-libs, blah, blah, which I really didn't add any of that. And then I put, this is also very important, Black female vocalist with agile voice, because at first when I was doing it, it wasn't adding my runs. Like the AI voice wasn't doing my runs. So I put agile voice and then alternative R&B. So those are at least some things that I know, like you have to put in if you want it to sound a certain way. But just being as descriptive as possible is the key. And then you just hit create and then it'll create a new song. And oh my God, when I tell you it ate, they ate.
I want it easy, want you to need me, just like I need you, want you to please me. I'll make it that easy, keeping it breezy. Need you to see me, just like I see you. I know that you know you're just incredible. Place you high, cloud nine, like on a pedestal. Come spend time, phone home, extraterrestrial.
Okay, hold up. Stop right here. I was not about to let this AI voice upstage me on my own song. So I recorded my version because I want y'all to hear it how it was really meant to sound. If you want me to drop the full thing, comment full song below so that I know you're ready. But for now, here's a little taste.
I'll make it that easy, keeping it breezy. Need you to see me, just like I see you. Mixed up my emotions, drinking like a potion. You like all that motion. Now
That made me feel so much better. Like I said, if you want me to drop the full song, you have to comment full song, and I will drop this song exclusively on YouTube. All right, now back to the video. I am going to, of course, record this because all I really wanted was the instrumental version of this, which you can get. So basically, you just extract the stems. So you can click this option where it says get stems, and then you can get vocals and instrumental. All I really wanted was the instrumental, you know. The vocals on it, that's dope. And for people that can't sing, that is amazing that it will give you a voice. And as long as you describe everything correctly, like what you want the voice to sound like, it pretty much does that. And I want to say that I know a lot of people are against like AI, SUNO AI and AI music, but I feel like we could really use this as a resource. I don't produce. I can write lyrics and I can sing, I can create melody, but I don't produce and I don't play an instrument. So this is actually a really, really good resource for me, especially for somebody that's just trying to get demos done and to share it with you guys, share my demos, and trying to pay a producer every time or looking on YouTube and then also buying it each time. That's just a lot of money. So I think just paying the subscription for SUNO each month and like doing as many songs as I want to, it's a really, really good resource for me. So that's my stance on it. I hope you guys like my little tutorial of SUNO AI. If you want more content like this, go ahead, like this video and share it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.